Good morning, everyone. My name is Mai Maria, a student of St. Xavier's School, Harmoti, Class 12, Science, Section A, stand before you to convey my perspective on the topic advantages and disadvantages of online classes. So here I begin. Online classes for students and teachers have come out to be new normal during this time of COVID-19 pandemic. The schools and universities had to enforce strict lockdown measures and shut down the classrooms to avoid the spread of the pandemic. The complete shutdown of the education institution caused a major interruption in the academic year and brought a big gap in the learning for the students. However, most of the schools have managed to organize online classes for the students, offering safe learning at their homes. So now initially, I will be discussing about the disadvantages and gradually move towards the advantages. So the first disadvantage of online class is that screen exposure may cause health issues among students. During the online classes, students have to sit before the screen of their devices for a long period of time, due to which some students may suffer from eyesight issues. Long exposure to screen may also induce headache in many students. Second disadvantage, network breakdown and other technology issues. This perhaps is the most common and the biggest disadvantage of online classes, isn't it? Yes, of course it is. Breakdown of internet connection or poor range of internet can break the continuity in learning for the students. This may discourage the students from attending the classes regularly and learning the curriculum. The third disadvantage, lack of social interaction. While being with friends, students learn to be patient, get rid of disappointment, and compare as well. However, in online classes, there is minimum or no physical interaction between the students and the teachers. This may result in the sense of isolation for the student and can affect their studies quite badly. Fourth disadvantage, involves a bigger workload. Since institutions that offer online courses know that they cannot monitor the students effectively, and therefore they assign more homeworks and assignments to them. This can be a serious problem for the students pursuing a degree while working full-time. These are the disadvantages that I have discussed, and now I will be discussing about the advantages. So the first advantage of online class is that keeps the student regular and disciplined. It has helped in recreating a routine for them so that they have a particular target for each day and do not waste their time in doing unimportant activities. They get more homeworks and assignments that help in making the students more committed and disciplined. The second advantage, easily accessible from any place. Another major advantage of online class is that it allows the students to attend the classes from any part of the location they want. They just need a good internet connection, a laptop, a computer to attend the class. This has also increased their attendance. The third advantage, cost of education is reduced. This can be seen as a very important advantage during this period when the pandemic has already hit the budget of many families. Online classes have lowered down the very huge amount of money for both the schools and the students. It has also eliminated the cost of transportation. The fourth advantage, saves the students from exposure to infections. In virtual classes, students do not need to go to schools and come in contact with others. This saves them from receiving any kind of infections from others that helps in keeping their immune system strong. Moreover, being at home gives them a chance to eat fresh and healthy foods that is required to boost their immune system to fight against any symptom of the corona. So these are some of the advantages or disadvantages of online classes. So now I would like to conclude my speech by saying that online classes, being the need of the hour, should be seen as a complement and a good way of learning during this pandemic. However, traditional classroom studies has been and will always be the best mode of learning that not only help the students to grow mentally but socially as well. But at this time, students should focus on online classes and chalk out strategies to do best in their academics by keeping aside all the odds and the difficulties. Thank you.